Most of us are familiar with AI assistants like ChatGPT. They are excellent at answering questions, writing emails, summarizing documents, or generating code. However, they typically stop after providing a response and wait for the next instruction. Agentic AI takes this a step further. Agentic AI is an AI system that doesn't just respond to prompts, it works toward achieving a goal. When given an objective, it can understand the task, reason about the best approach, create a plan, use external tools when needed, and take actions autonomously. It continuously evaluates its progress and adapts until the goal is completed. In simple terms, instead of asking "what should I do?" after every step, the agent figures out the next step on its own. Every agent starts with a goal. Rather than focusing on a single prompt, it focuses on completing an entire objective. The agent analyzes the situation and decides what action should be performed next. If multiple options are available, it selects the most appropriate one based on the available information. Large tasks are broken into smaller, manageable steps. This makes execution more organized and efficient. An AI agent is not limited to its built-in knowledge. It can interact with external tools such as web search, databases, APIs, email systems, calendars, or enterprise applications to retrieve information and perform real-world actions. The agent remembers previous interactions, user preferences, and historical information. This allows it to maintain context and avoid repeating unnecessary questions. If an action fails or new information becomes available, the agent can revise its plan, choose an alternative approach, and continue working until the objective is achieved. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose I ask, "Plan my business trip to Toronto next Monday." A traditional large language model might suggest some airline websites, recommend a few hotels, and provide a sample itinerary. Once it gives the answer, the interaction ends. An agentic AI behaves very differently. It first searches for available flights, compares prices and schedules, identifies hotels near the meeting location, checks the weather forecast, estimates the overall travel budget, prepares a detailed itinerary, and, if authorized, even books the reservations, updates the calendar, and sends a confirmation email. Notice that the user provided only one high-level goal. The agent determined all the intermediate steps and executed them automatically. The workflow shown here illustrates how an agent operates. It begins by understanding the user's goal. Next, it creates a plan, identifies which tools are required, executes the necessary actions, reviews the results, and continues this process until the goal is successfully completed. This iterative loop is what distinguishes agentic AI from traditional conversational AI. The key idea to remember is that agentic AI is not just about generating intelligent responses, it's about accomplishing meaningful tasks. This shift from answering questions to autonomously completing work is what makes agentic AI one of the most significant advancements in modern artificial intelligence.